A red Ferrari, the top down. This is what childhood dreams are made of. Heck, this is what every guy dreams of, driving a red Ferrari with the top down. This is the Ferrari Portofino. This isn't Portofino, but this is one of the nicer driving roads in our neck of the woods, and I really do have the best job in the world. This is my ride for the day. How can you not smile when you're in a Ferrari? Ferraris, they really bring out the 8-year-old in you. Nearly 8,000 RPM in a turbocharged engine. 3.9-liter V8 engine, 2 turbochargers, 591 horsepower and 770 Newton meters of torque. They say the Portofino is the most usable, most everyday Ferrari. But there's no such thing as a soft Ferrari. The Portofino is quick. 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. 0 to 200 in 10.8 seconds. A top speed of 320 kilometers per hour. Man, it's so fast, so fast. It's phenomenal. Oh man, it is fast, it is quick, it sounds great. And the best part, the really amazing part of the Portofino is that it rides so well. It is such a comfortable car. Now these roads, these are nice driving roads, but they have broken patches, they have speed breakers, and the Portofino, it takes it all so well. It is so comfortable. It borders on the ridiculous. This is a Ferrari. It's almost a supercar. Supercars are not supposed to be everyday usable cars. They're not supposed to be comfortable cars. But the Portofino, it is comfortable. And when you're in the mood for it, it can make noise and it can instill fear. Portofino is the replacement to the California. It's only 0.1 seconds quicker to 100, but the improvements in the overall performance, in the handling, in the styling department, everything is dramatic. This is a beautiful looking car and it drives so well. It's not a compromise. The California, it looked frumpy and it was the Ferrari that you would buy if you could not afford the other Ferraris, or the other Ferraris were too hardcore. The Portofino in its own right is desirable. The way the Portofino handles, it is light, it is delicate, it's balanced. The steering, they say Ferrari steerings are too quick and too sharp, but once you get used to it, wow, it's light, it's delicate, it's maneuverable, it's flickable, it moves. You can switch off traction control, you can play around with it. It's awesome. You gas it and you can feel it moving at the rear. You can feel the traction, but you can also feel that slight playfulness. And when you switch off ESP completely, it does move around. But because the steering is so quick and it's so accurate and it's got so much feedback, you can catch it, you can hold it, you can really have a blast. It takes the breath out of you. Just as there's no such thing as a soft Ferrari, there is no such thing as a cheap Ferrari either. The Portofino, it starts at 3.5 crore rupees ex-showroom. Plus, after that, you add all the options. I'll give you an example. The shields that you see on the flanks, the Scuderia Ferrari logo, that's 1.2 lakhs. Nothing comes free. But when you buy a Ferrari, you really don't mind spending, I guess. As kids, we have posters of red Ferraris on our walls. We dream of driving Ferraris. Now, spending an entire day with a red Ferrari, top down, cool mountain breeze. It is a dream come true, to be honest. That's why we really do have the best job in the world.